Hey guys, welcome. Seeing the error, this experience is not accessible because it is unrated on Roblox. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. So firstly, you need to go to your account, of course, and log in. So you need to use the browser and not the app. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner. And after that, choose the settings. So let us go to the settings. After that, if your birth date is set under 13 years old, you may be blocked from accessing unrated or unreviewed games. Roblox auto locks content based on age restrictions. If you're over 13 and your birth date is wrong, you'll need to contact Roblox support to correct it. So as you can see, you need to verify your age first to be able to connect to those games. As you can see, you need to verify by your ID. And also, guys, in the privacy tab or parental controls, you need to enable a certain button as well. You need to look for the option that is basically enabling access to unrated content. So you go to privacy and content restrictions, content maturity, and as you can see, there's a restriction that you can place. As you can see, mine is set to moderate. So you need to set it to minimal in order to prevent any issues. And these are the fixes, guys. That's how you fix that error and issue. If this helped you out, be sure to like and follow for more quick Roblox tips. See you in the next one.